Hello, and welcome back to Weide-Market by Weide-Market. That's me. If you're on a path of figuring out your finances, you're in the right place. And although figuring out your finances is about creating a budget, following a budget, telling your money where to go, earning more income and creating extra income, doing investments and living below your means, that is not the only wealth that exists. In fact, there are 4 types of wealth. In my last video I said that I'm going to dedicate this video to talking about the fact that money is not that important. And although money is the first thing that comes to mind when you say and talk about the word wealth, that is not the only type of wealth there is. In fact, there are 4 types of wealth. Number 1 is financial wealth, and that is almost goes without saying, and that's about the money. But you have to also realize that if you have a roof over your head, you have a car to drive, and you have a bed to sleep in, you are most likely more wealthy than at least 80% of the world population. Think about that for a minute. And then start thinking about why are you struggling to have more money left at the end of the month rather than more month left at the end of the money. The next type of financial wealth is social wealth. Has that got to do with your status in society, your relationships with your business partners, your marriage partners, life partners, friends, family, and the people you meet and talk with in the street, your children's teacher at the school, the petrol attendant at the petrol station, the fuel station where you fill up your car. All of those impact, and you impact in turn, the social status or social wealth of your world, of your community, and of your society. The next type of wealth is physical wealth. And that obviously has to do with your fitness levels, the way you eat, your eating habits, your sleeping habits, and your mental capacity and your mental health. And then the last type of wealth is time wealth, the freedom to enjoy all of these types of wealth fully and happily. In the rest of the video, I'm going to be talking about 5 things that I've learned in life that really make you rich, that are not as important as money. I've learned this through my own life experience and through talking with people in successful positions and people who I have personal relationships with. At this point, I'd like to just quickly dedicate this video to my daughter. She'll be turning 7 in a couple of weeks' time. I love you, my child, and I'm proud to be your father. By the way, if you've come this far, please keep this video liked and subscribe to my channel. I've got a goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and your support would be greatly appreciated. Please share this video with anybody that might need to hear this message, and please leave a comment below about things that are important to you and how you are tackling 2021. Number 1, work hard but don't put money first. Number 2, give without expectation. Number 3, be present. Number 5, live with integrity. And number 5, smile, laugh, and don't take life too serious. So although it is vitally important for creating wealth to work hard, you should not be chasing the money, and money should not be the first thing that you do the work for. You have to realize that doing business and being an entrepreneur is about solving problems in the world, about making the world and the society around you a better place to live in, for yourself, for the ones you care about, and for everyone around you. If you are chasing the money, then you make decisions based on the money alone, and you tend to forget about the impact you have on the world around you. The only things that make you really rich are passion, purpose, and love. And that ties in with the 4 types of wealth that I mentioned at the beginning of this video. For the rest of this video, when I say the word wealth, I'm referring to all 4 types of wealth: financial, social, physical, and time. Moving on to point number 2. You have to give without expectation. Now, you might not have spare cash to throw around and be generous, but that is why you need to get out of debt and you need to manage your finances properly. In the card above my head and in the link in the description below, I'll share a link for a video about living below your means and living on less than you earn. It is vitally important that you do that. But it is just as important to be generous with your time, your effort, and your attention to the people around you and the money that you spend. What is the point of having all the wealth in the world and not using it to make the world a better place and not impacting the society around you in a positive way? It's like having a light to light the way in the dark and then putting it under a bucket. There's really no point in any of that. Live generous and make the world around you a better place. Point number 3 is be present. So being present means enjoying the moment that you're in. Enjoy the day that you've been given. It is not called the present for nothing. Every day is a new gift to make the best of your life, the best of the energy that you have, and the best of the time that you have in life. You don't know how long your life is. I don't know how long my life is. And I cannot predict, or nobody can predict how long your life can be. It's all up to you to make the best of the time that you have. Be present in every moment. Be present in your conversations with your business partners, your family, the people you care about, the people you get in touch with on a daily basis. Be present in that moment and enjoy every little bit of it. What's happened yesterday is gone, you cannot change it, and tomorrow will come in any case, regardless of what you do today. The choices you make today does impact tomorrow, but you only have the present to do that. So be present in the present. Number 4, live with integrity. In other words, do right by yourself, do right by the people you love, and do right by the people you work with and get in touch with or get in contact with on a daily basis. If you do right by them, they'll do right by you. And by that, I'm not saying live to please everybody, but do the right thing. Do the right thing, and the right thing will be done to you. Do to others as you want done to yourself. Point number 5, and I'll close there, is smile, laugh, and don't take life too seriously. Enjoy your life. Enjoy the moment that you've been given, regardless of your circumstances. Accept where you are, accept who you are, and grow from there. Take the first step from where you are. You cannot take the first step 2 kilometers down the road without taking the first step from where you are right now. You have to grow. So you might as well enjoy the journey from where you are to where you want to be. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this gives you some thought to think about, some things to think about. I hope by now you've subscribed. I'll see you in the next video. Be blessed. Cheers.